What's up everybody? Today we're going to be working on the Supreme Air Jordan 5s that are in horrible condition. We got these for a great price, now it's time to make them worth some money again. I'm going to show you guys how to repaint the shoe, give the shoe a proper deep clean, and remove all the oxidation from the soles. We got some work ahead of us, so let's get started. The first step to this restoration is the deep clean process. We are going to be putting the shoe inside the washing machine using our Rejuvenator Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. First things first, we're going to put the left shoe to the side for before and after purposes. Next, we're going to take out the shoelace and insole to clean those separately. Now you guys already know, before I start any cleaning, I like to use the compressor to blow off any surface dust and grime on the shoe, and same thing with the insole. Just by doing that step, the shoe looks a lot better already. Next, we're gonna grab our shoe tree and adjust it to size. As you can see, we have a lot of creasing going on. Hopefully, it can eliminate some of that. Next, we're gonna grab our solution and squirt 2 squirts inside our bowl of water. All prepped to start cleaning. First, we're gonna be using our soft bristle brush to start breaking down the grime and dirt on the upper white leather and the insides of the shoe. Uppers look great thanks to the soft bristle brush. I'm going to put this to the side and move on to our medium bristle brush. I'm going to use this brush to clean up this midsole and go back one more time on the upper white leather to clean up the white stitching. Alright, all done with the medium bristle brush, midsoles and uppers look great. Last brush we gotta use is a stiff bristle to get these soles as clean as possible. We want to get these as clean as possible so the sole revive can do its thing. Soles are all cleaned up. Took a couple of passovers to get it to this point. Now before we put the shoe in the washing machine, we gotta take care of the lace and the insole. Real quick for the lace, I'm just gonna dump it in our leftover water and solution. And for the insole, we're gonna grab our soft bristle brush and give it a good scrub. Let's put this in there as well. Good to go with the cleaning of the insole and lace. Now let's put everything inside the laundry bag with our detergent box to finish up the deep clean. To the washing machine. Got the shoe out of the washing machine, we let it air dry for several hours. The shoe looks great, the white is back to white, even the white stitching all around the white leather and on the toe cap looks good. Our next focus is the oxidation on the outsoles. There's a lot of yellowing going on. I'm not sure if we're going to be able to get all the yellowing out, but we're going to try. So for this, we're going to be using Rejuvenator Sole Revive and our indoor setup, aka the Vick 2000. Let's start by applying a nice and even coat all around the yellow areas with the paintbrush. Alright, we got the shoe out of the indoor setup after about 5 days. A couple things I need to touch on. The first thing, we got very little results. As you can see, the sole is still yellow. Every single day I apply Sole Revive onto the soles and wash it off. Unfortunately, some Jordan 5s are really hard to ice up and some shoes just don't ice up at all. It's a rare situation, but it happens. However, these were in the indoor setup for a good 5 days. We did get all the yellowing off the white rubber, the plastic eyelets, and the netting looks a lot icier. So we didn't completely waste our time. The next thing we gotta do is work on these midsoles. They do need a full midsole repaint. There's a lot of cracking going on. On the red, there was originally silver speckles. However, all that got washed away from all the wear and tear. We gotta repaint the white, the red, and the speckles. So first, we gotta wipe off all the paint using some acetone and cotton balls. Got the old cracked paint completely off. Now we're gonna be taping off the sole and upper to lay down our brand new paint. Not bad. Now let's lay down our white paint from Angelus using an angular brush. White paint is good to go. Now we're on to the Angelus Fire Red for the teeth and the inside triangle. For this, we're gonna freehand it, and when the time comes, we will be using some tape to get some sharp lines for the teeth. Red paint is good to go. To get the sharpest lines possible, all you gotta do is tape one tooth at a time and lay down a couple of coats and you'll get sharp lines every single time. Now we still have to go in and recreate the speckle paint job. First, we're gonna tape off everything but the red paint. Using some silver paint and a toothbrush, we're gonna lay down the speckles. Good to go with the speckle job. I went back with the toothpick to perfect it. Now it looks factory. Now let's remove the tape so we can wrap up this project. All right, let's lace it up. Alright guys, that is going to bring us to an end on this restoration of these Supreme Air Jordan 5s. Overall, this restoration was pretty straightforward. I gave this shoe a proper deep clean inside and out using our Rejuvenator Signature Shoe Cleaning Kit. No issues with that. We got the shoe back to white. For the insides, we got all the germs and bacteria fully flushed out. Then we finished off this restoration with a nice midsole repaint. We removed all the old cracked up paint, gave it a fresh midsole repaint with some white, added the red with some sharp lines using some tape, and for the speckle job, we used a toothbrush method. For the Vick 2000, it did a great job removing the yellowing from the netting and the plastic eyelets. However, we got minimal results on these soles. Again, it happens, you guys, especially on Jordan 5s and really beast shoes. Not all icy soles can go back to clear, just keep that in mind. Overall, I'm really happy with the results. The uppers and the midsoles look great. You can find all our products at reshoevn8er.com. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Vick Almighty. I'll catch you guys next Monday. See y'all.